Vasquez. Hey, Judge,
Yes.
I'm not for sure if he's gonna, or sit down right here. Yes. He might begin to need an interpreter. I'm not for sure. We have another lady here with him,
That's my friend.
that could help him out if she needs to.
Hablas inglés?
What is right? Valiant effort, Judge. Valiant effort.
You speak English?
Yes.
Okay,
All right. This is State of Kansas versus Crispin Alonzo Vasquez, 23 CR 300,030. The state appears by Devin Canfield. Mr. Vasquez appears in person from the courthouse Zoom location. Mr. Vasquez, you're here for a first appearance. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
All right. And you don't need an interpreter?
I don't think so. This is my friend here. He can interpret me.
You say what you want to get said.
Okay. All right. There are two charges, each alleged to have occurred on November 12th, 2023 in Butler County,
Why
Kansas.
is it two charges though?
Well, I'm going to go over those with you. The first count, you're charged with driving under the influence. Second offense, it's alleged that you're operating a motor vehicle with a blood alcohol content of 0.223, and it's alleged that you have a prior DUI conviction from May of 2004 out of Wichita Municipal Court. That makes this a second time offense, which is a Class A non-person misdemeanor. That carries a maximum penalty of a year in jail and a maximum fine of $2,500. Count two alleges that you were unlawfully while in a motor vehicle on a highway or street transported any open alcoholic beverage which was accessible to the driver or any person in the vehicle. Then it was not in an outside locked container. That is transporting an open container of alcoholic beverage. That is an unclassified non-person misdemeanor. That carries a maximum penalty of 30 days in jail and up to a $500 fine. So those are the two charges, Mr. Vasquez. Do you have any questions about what you've been charged with?
Yeah, but still I don't understand. What's the two charges for?
One of them was for a DUI and one of them's for transporting an open container.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's two separate offenses. So does that answer your question?
Oh, right. Those charges, Judge. Okay, thanks. Thanks. I remember them now.
Okay, I see.
Okay. All right. How do you wish to proceed on your case, Mr. Vasquez? Are you going to consult with an attorney?
What do you say?
Are you going to talk to an attorney about your charges?
Are you gonna get a lawyer?
Do I need to?
Well, that's up to you. You don't have to have one. It's always better, in my opinion, to have one.
Well,
But,
here I am. I'm guilty. I'm pleading
Well,
guilty.
all right, Mr. Vasquez, I don't want you to make any statements here that could be used against you.
Too late, Judge. That was the statement of all statements. That was the one that they could use against him the most. Yep. Do I need an attorney? Well, I'm guilty. Hey, Judge, do you have a bottle in that drawer? Yeah. You caught me. Yep.
Before you've had an opportunity to consult with an attorney, if that's what you wish to do. Can you afford to hire your own attorney?
Can you afford an attorney, Chris? Not really.
Well, I usually have one in Wichita, but not here.
Any attorney. Can you afford an attorney?
I don't know what is the price is different from Wichita.
Few
Well,
thousand.
2,000?
A few thousand, I don't know, but it's gonna be in the thousands, you can bet.
To get a lawyer.
Yes.
Can you afford to hire an attorney, or do you need to apply for court-appointed counsel?
But why I need a lawyer? And while I'm here, I'm pleading guilty.
Well, I'm not comfortable having you plead guilty at this point based on the comments that you've made. You don't have to have an attorney represent you, but I question whether you're fully able to understand everything right now. I don't know if you need an interpreter or you just need an attorney to consult with you about what your rights are on these charges.
Is there any way can I have a public attorney?
Yeah, I need to ask you a few questions. Are you
Okay.
employed? Are you employed? Do you work?
Tell him you're retired.
I'm retired, yeah.
Okay. Do you have any source of income outside of Social Security or any other investments?
Nope.
All right. I'm going to appoint Darren Patterson to represent you. He's an attorney here in El Dorado. Your next court date will be February the 12th at 8 o'clock in the morning. That'll be with Judge Webster, and that will be done by Zoom. You've already posted bond. That was an OR bond. All right, now this list shows this case being assigned to me, but I see it's just 2 misdemeanors. Was this originally brought in as a felony, maybe, Mr. Canfield?
I'm not seeing that it was, Your Honor. Everything referred to us looks like it was a misdemeanor.
Okay. Angela, do you know why this case is assigned to me? Does Judge Webster maybe have a conflict?
I have not heard anything about a conflict, so I'm not.
Maybe it's because you speak his language so well, Judge. Hablas inglés. Sorry, that really got me.
Sure why they put you on there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna send it back. I'm gonna put it on the misdemeanor docket, February 12th at 8 o'clock. That'll be by Zoom in front of Judge Webster. I'm going to approve the bond. You've appeared here as ordered to.
Saying about a bond.
All right, Mr. Vasquez, you need to call Mr. Patterson's office when we get done. Give them your contact information. Mr. Canfield, anything else we need to do on this case?
Your Honor, I would ask that in addition to the OR bond, the court stipulate no drugs or alcohol.
All right,
But how's he gonna speak Boomhauer if he doesn't have his boom juice?
Mr. Vasquez, as a condition of bond, you're not to possess or consume alcohol or illegal drugs. Do you have any questions?
Well, is any way I can have permission to see my hospital? I got appointment on the 22nd this month. I got my liver disease.
I'm not understanding you.
Judge, he just told you that his liver is failing and he needs to go to the hospital this month. I heard that and I know why.
I said, is it impossible? Can I have a permission to go see my doctor in Wichita, the 22nd?
Yeah, you don't have any restrictions on going to see your doctor.
Like his driver's license is what he's meaning.
So this court doesn't have any control over your driver's license. That's up to the Department of Revenue.
Where is his license?
You might visit with Mr. Patterson about any issues pertaining to your driver's license. All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess. Mr. Vasquez, you are excused. All right, that's the last name on my list. Do you show anything else, Devin?
Nope, that's all I got.
All right, thank you. Thanks, Al.
Yeah, that one was fun. That last one. It's always the last ones. Why is that?